Let's join in with rhyming words. Bear, pear, hair, chair, square. Bear, pear, chair, square. Let's say the rhyming words together. Bear, pear, chair, square. Now say the rhyming words on your own. Great job! Let's play a game with rhyming words. Which rhyming word is missing? Bear, pear, chair? Well done! The missing rhyming word was square. Bear, pear, chair, square. Let's play again. Which rhyming word is missing? Bear, chair, square. That's right! The missing rhyming word was pear, bear, pear, chair, square. Let's play again. Which rhyming word is missing? Pear, chair, square. Fantastic! The missing rhyming word was bear, pear, chair, square. Let's play again. Which rhyming word is missing? Bear, pear, square. Fantastic! The missing rhyming word was chair, bear, pear, chair, square. Let's play another rhyming game next.